up, everyone? Issac Cardona here, real estate investor in San Diego, and today I'm with
Leslie Duvernay, team leader of the Duvernay Group at eXp Realty.
And today we're at a project out here in Ramona, so let's go inside and check it out.
Go!
What's up, everyone? So now, as you can see, we're inside of the property and we're almost done and ready to be on market.
The property really just needed a big renovation, and so I knew Isaac was the guy for the job, and so I approached him to come in and offer the sellers maybe a potential cash offer, and then we kind of took it from there.
I told her unfortunately I wasn't going to be able to offer what they were looking at, so I kind of came up with a creative solution of us partnering up with the homeowner, Leslie keeping the listing, and then creating equity so we could sell it for higher and they can net what they're looking to get. And they liked it, so we all sat down together and talked about it more in detail, and we signed the paperwork for the agreement, and now check out this product that we're at now. So at the end, we worked out the solution and we're almost there, almost to go on market, and Leslie's gonna be the listing agent, is gonna be doing the marketing for us so we can net what we're looking to get.
Yeah, so once the agreement was signed and we knew the renovation was taking place, basically Isaac and his team got some unruly tenants that were in here out pretty quickly, and then they broke ground and started tearing down drywall and working away, and then we actually hit the ground running. We were door knocking the neighborhood, providing flyers to all the neighbors so they knew the renovation was coming with some tentative dates for right about right now, and the neighbors were super thrilled. And then we also did a pre-renovation video that was also on social media, Instagram. We tagged Isaac's team on there as well so we could get as many eyes on it as possible. And then on Saturday and Sunday we'll be doing our mega open houses. We put out over 100 signs. Everybody will know the open house is here, and everybody will know this property is for sale. And then hopefully the next week we'll get some offers and put it under contract.
Yeah, so stay tuned for the end product. You guys will be able to check it out.